Salam Sajat everyone. I'm Ishani and today I'm excited to talk about what I, a proud young Malaysian, love about our amazing country. A very long time ago, Malaysia, a young nation, had people from different cultures living together in harmony. They spoke different languages, ate different foods, and practiced different faiths, but they all had one dream: for Malaysia to be a free country and make its own decisions. So, with unity in hearts, our brave leaders led our nation to its freedom. Magic filled the air on 31st August 1957 as Malaysia became an independent country. Isn't our shared history amazing? Now, coming back to the present day Malaysia, I must say I love how we live in a multicultural society. It makes our life so colorful. Why? Because we get to experience and celebrate so many festivals with our fellow Malaysians. And I do love the festival time sweets and the bubbly girl days. My most favorite part of being a Malaysian is the delicious local food in Malaysia. Yum! Who doesn't like our roti canai, nasi lemak, kocok goreng, kuih nyonya, and the durians. Oh, and not to forget the banana leaf fries. Just talking about them makes me hungry. And our beautiful country is not only home to super cool skyscrapers like the Merdeka Tower, but we are also blessed with stunning lush rainforests and magnificent islands. And we are also proud to be the homes of the Malayan tigers, tapis, orangutans, and the sunbears. Have you heard of the biggest flower nut, Rafflesia? Yup, you got it right here. Malaysia is like one big adventure land that never runs out of places to explore. Don't you agree? Last but not least, I love how having friends and neighbors from different cultures and backgrounds have taught us to always respect others regardless of our differences and be tolerant towards each other from a very young age. And so, living in Malaysia is like getting ready to be friends with the whole wide world. Thank you for listening to my speech about why I love our beautiful country. Thank you.